and I will be giving you the definition of a debate. A debate is an educational disagreement over multiple sides of a topic. This is what we'll be doing today. My side of the argument is yes, Pluto should be a planet. Very good.
My side of the argument is that Pluto should be a planet. Well, should not be a planet. Pluto used to be a planet, but in 2009 it was demoted to a dwarf planet. We think scientists made a good decision, and we believe Pluto should stay a dwarf planet.
Now that we have seen what both sides of the argument is, the yes, it should be a planet will go first. Steven.
I think that Pluto should regain its status as a planet because of the definition of a planet. According to the Merriam-Webster's online dictionary published only last year, a planet is a large round object in space that travels around a star. Pluto is a round object in space and orbits the sun. Pluto clearly has the properties of a planet.
Sharma. I also think Pluto should be a planet. Pluto is the biggest planet in the Kuiper belt according to NASA.gov. Neil. To build on to Sharma's topic, NASA made a mistake and concluded that Eris was bigger than Pluto. In 2011, they took back what they said and decided that Pluto was bigger than Eris. With New Horizons, they clarified that. Also, not even 2% of the IAU voted to planetize Pluto.
Listen. To add on, I also think that Pluto should be a planet again because according to the scientist Neil deGrasse Tyson, the definition of a planet is based off of a scientist's opinion.
Andrew.
I think Pluto should be a planet because a probe flew by Pluto and came back with scientific data about the planet's surface and atmosphere, proving Pluto has the properties of a planet.
A planet has to be a spherical object, according to planet.org, but Earth isn't that much of a spherical object, but it is a planet, and while Pluto is more spherical, while it isn't a planet. Oh.
I agree that Pluto should be a planet because according to planet.org, one moon has to orbit a planet. Pluto has 5 moons orbiting it, while Earth has 1 moon orbiting it, proving clearly that Pluto should be a planet.
Now that we have heard from yes, it should be a planet, now that no, it shouldn't be a planet, we'll go. Haley.
Pluto should stay demoted. My reasoning? Back when Pluto was a planet, new planets were founded left and right. You couldn't trust anyone or anything about planets. When the people of America panicked, colleges and astronomers took action. Pluto and many others were demoted to dwarf planets. This reasoning comes from article What is a Planet by Elizabeth Howell.
Shreya.
Pluto should remain a dwarf planet because the IAU changed the definition of what a planet should be. The IAU stands for International Astronomical Union. Now, because it meet all the standards which like a planet should orbit around the sun, it should clear debris around its orbit and has to have like a young shape.
Leah.
Pluto is not a planet because Pluto is not the biggest object in the table. That is one of the standards for a planet. It is one of the largest objects, but not the largest. The biggest object in its orbit is called Eris. This information comes from What is a Planet by Elizabeth Howell.
Also, according to COSAT, Pluto sometimes acts as a moon for Neptune. That's just like saying our moon should be a planet. Planets are more classified about mass, not size. Eris has more mass than Pluto. If anything, Eris should be a planet, not Pluto.
Another reason is Pluto hasn't cleared debris from its orbital neighbor, says article What is a Planet. This means Pluto has not pulled in smaller objects with its gravitational pull.
Alan.
And finally, Pluto can't ever be a planet because it's too far away from the sun. It's almost outside of the solar system. The IAU changed the standards, so now Pluto is too far away from the sun, says What is a Planet by Elizabeth Howell.
Now that we have finished talking about why it should and why it shouldn't be a planet, now we are ready for questions and rebuttals.
I don't know.
I disagree with Leo. Pluto is bigger than Eris, and I have papers from NASA. I'll read the most important parts in first. Mission scientists have found Pluto to be 1,473 miles or 2,370 kilometers in diameter. somewhat larger than what many prior estimates. And Eris's diameter is 1,445 miles and 2,326 kilometers in diameter, making Eris
If this document was real, it would have its copyright on it.
information.
Yeah, you can't
And
just
they
do
don't
that.
have copyright on the
Yes, they do. On
No, they don't.
Okay, remember, respectful. I think Haley has something respectful to say.
You guys are getting most of your information from websites, not like books. And I have 3 things to say about that. Northern tree octopus.
Uh-oh.
I have a defense against that.
That's Naylor. Yeah.
So, I don't think NASA.gov would do
I didn't
stuff
say
like
it
the
was
tree
NASA.
octopus thingy.
I
Because
said planet.org.
It's .gov, and I don't think the
these other
government
things.
would do stuff like that to everyone in the country.
I didn't say NASA was doing it.
Go ahead.
All the people over here were like using the same thing. But all of these are.
Yeah,
What?
I think they realize that.
Most of you are saying something about what is a planet by something. But then everybody else over here.
That's just
It's
a
the same
resource.
article.
It's just like a
I
resource.
know, but
So your point is they're all pulling their information from one article or from one resource. Do you think that helps their cause or hinders their cause?
And this is because if there's only like one information, that means it might not be that much.
Oh yeah.
Because you can't prove it if they use one article.
think
then
it's
they can't check it to see if it's true.
Yeah, people.
Nathan, why don't you call on Colin?
.org URL is actually checked by the government.
So is .gov.
So yeah.
It's based on
Mine didn't come from what is a planet. Mine came from why is it geek.
Only 2
What? Why is it geek?
Wise geeks.
people.
Yeah.
Oh, mine came from COSI and Planet.org.
Elizabeth actually gives information to NASA. She's like a journalist.
I have a defense. She's not speaking.
Elizabeth Howell writes for NASA. Where does she get her information?
From
Yeah, so you're saying that our information is bad.
Well, there's no copyright on it.
It would
So
have
if I copy the information and I don't copy anything else from the article,
Commentary.
It's supposed to be.
yeah,
Okay, remember,
No, but he never classified it as his own.
remember debaters, we talked about if we all talk at the same time, nobody hears us. So our MC, Nathan, he is in charge of calling on people one by one. We don't call out. And the dwarf planet side is not staying back far enough so that we can hear.
you said Pluto doesn't qualify as a planet because it only fulfilled 2 out of 3 of its needs, but it hasn't cleared its debris, but neither has the Earth or Jupiter. No, it hasn't.
That's what space junk is.
Space junk, it's still debris. Earth,
That's
it's
why
Pluto has that too.
Stop talking.
You're talking more than one at a time. Unless your hand is called on.
Well, like you just said, so he said something about COSI. What if COSI doesn't have all the information?
Coastal's kind of
Yeah, but COSI is the Columbus.
I know there's science in the name. I know that.
institution.
No, it's Center of Science
Oh.
and Industry.
No, Center Ohio.
No,
Okay. Why don't you call on one more person out here, Nathan, and then we need to move on.
This is an opinion, but
Mhm.
I think Pluto.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that is a great thing for you to say because we're going to have Shreya talk for a minute. Go ahead real loud, Shreya.
Transfer done with that debate. You guys can vote whether you think Pluto should be a little planet or a planet. You will have voting ballots to vote, and your vote will be a non-ballot.
Okay, so Shreya, do you want to pass the ballots out?
Well,
So you're going to get to vote to say whether you believe that Pluto should go back to planet status or remain a dwarf planet.
Do we write yes or no?
There's a place to
Yeah,
check.
kiddos, remember, you are not voting based on which side your friends were presenting.
You're voting on the
based
information.
the facts that they told you.
Wait, if you think it should be a planet,